Hey guys, it's Jesse. Today I'm going to show you how to build this porch swing. You may also know this as a bench swing or a swinging bench, but essentially it's a simple build with a swing between an A-frame structure. And yes, it actually does swing. It doesn't swing as smoothly as maybe real life, but it does have the same concept. The build, like I said, is relatively simple and easy, although it is kind of fragile as you'll see as you build it. But just practice patience and kind of mess around with it as you kind of put it together to make sure that everything looks nice and fits together well. And as always, if you're wondering about the parts that I'm using, I do include a parts list at the end of the video. So for these chains, you definitely want to have the first chain notch perpendicular to the tile. You'll want to have them come basically straight out so the chain can go vertical up to the top and it can attach and swing smoothly. Also feel free to change out the colors on this build. I think this would also look great in maybe tan or white. I just didn't have the pieces for those colors and I went with reddish brown because that's what I had the most of. But with all of my builds, I always suggest kind of experimenting with what you do have, changing out the colors and seeing what works for you. If you think this build is cool, then check out my other tutorials if you haven't already. Consider subscribing and smash that like button for me. And hey, thanks for watching till the end. I really appreciate it. You can always find me on Instagram and TikTok at BrickDesigned.